Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through fixing VPN not connecting in Windows 11 quickly. First, make sure your internet connection is working normally. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then VPN, and check your VPN profile settings for accuracy. Next, disconnect and reconnect the VPN, or remove and re-add the profile if needed. Restart your PC to clear temporary network issues. Open Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, and update your network and VPN-related drivers. You can also disable any firewall or antivirus temporarily to see if they're blocking the connection. If the problem persists, use the built-in Network Troubleshooter under Settings, Network, Internet, Troubleshoot. Following these steps usually restores VPN connectivity and gets Windows 11 back online securely. Subscribe the channel for more videos.